Going to prison in order for run big venue is not a flex, you know.
Don't talk about it with us. Talk about it with the therapist. We out.
Sold out.
Fresh drop.
It's not something good, you know.
Foota Hype half the most bad mind boy God ever blew a breath, you know. The teacher have a right for nice, you know, acknowledgement, you know. Nothing through the peripheral, like, I the dog, not so no going to prison in order to full of venue is not a flex. You know what?
So people, Foota Hype came under heavy attack after stating that Vybz Kartel and Buju Banton are because them got prison and because they was missing off the scene, the whole supply and demand and the whole people wanting to see them why them sell out the stadium, them where them go and sell out the arena, the Barclays Center. So after saying that, now him come under heavy attack and also him call out Spice because it look like say Spice take offense of the whole thing also and she diss him. And say, yo, white tongue Foota Hype. You know, Spice, I don't know a war going between Spice and Foota Hype, but currently it look like Spice and Foota Hype go at it. But other than that, we see where a lot of social media influencers are, I would say, a lot of social media personnels came firing at Foota Hype, you know, him come under fire because a lot of people come out and say some things. I say, yo, Foota Hype are one of the most bad mind person ever. It come like the most bad mind person in the world. So me have some clippings to play for you and you go and watch it and tell me one thing, share your thoughts in the comment section because Jano Dancehall hot right now. Because you know, say the lovers of Dancehall and the Vybz Kartel fans, they, you know, them take offense of things like this because they say Foota Hype take with Vybz Kartel greatness and so forth. But me I go play the clippings for you and I want to tell me one thing with where Foota Hype said about Spice because him came attacking after Spice and also, you know, him came under fire with a lot of backlashes. So we could just jump right into the video. But before we jump right into the video, I ask you to make sure you like the video, comment on the video, you know, subscribe to the channel and, you know, always keep that post notification bell. So let's go.
I put this to you, Spice. See? Since you are say, you are like that a million times, say me attack foolishness, say the prison thing, help the whole thing we are going, both for Buju and for Vybz Kartel. Here what I need you to do now. Zine, Grace Hamilton, Gracie, Spice, you, by yourself, promote a show in the National Stadium of Jamaica and see if you can get the crowd that Buju Banton get and the crowd that Vybz Kartel get. Do that and beat me. I make me like that a million times. Do that.
So as you see in the comment section where Spice say, you know, white tongue Foota, just make sure say when you are dead, God save your life too. She don't talk. So you know, say Spice deal with him away when she do that, you know. So Foota Hype have another video where him come out and him talk about Spice again. It's like a never ending thing. But before we play the nether clippings with Foota Hype, we're gonna play a clippings with some of the influencers. Them a deal with Foota Hype away. And him a cuss him and I say, yo, Foota Hype, you bad mind dog. You can't just see the man them legacy or the greatness with the man them a do the history and just appreciate it and congrats. But no, you come out and talk about prison hype. So I'm gonna play a clippings for you with a brother.
Foota Hype half the most bad mind boy God ever blew a breath, you know. The teacher have a right for nice, you know, acknowledgement, you know. Nothing through the peripheral, like, I the dog, not so no going to prison in order to full of venue is not a flex. You know what else is not a flex? The type of confidence where you have in front of your phone after year baby mother come make it known. Say big international selector Foota Hype giving you $15. You're damn if you do and you're damn if you don't with their nah shit in their name, boy. Yeah. 13 years on the road and couldn't full of basement and you have the audacity to come and speak on greatness. A Bob Marley legacy we are talking about, you could have ball blood. Big up to the teacher if you get this one little piece of fame glory. Normally when the artists them drop out, then family get the glory. The youth are left a whole legacy, fame bloodline, and you give your youth $15 and account. Hey boy, go look at work, drunk.
So Foota Hype, I want to ask you a question now. Why take out of you if you just tell Vybz Kartel congratulations instead of you come with your all kind of phone because him there prison for much years and Buju do it and that. Brother, just be real with life and just tell the man say, yo, congrats. 2 days, you sell out the stadium back to back. Enough artists never do that yet. In a history, a long time something that happened. No dancehall artist never do that yet. What make you just can't just tell a man though, congratulations. Not true, you being a man apart there, you can just be real and be real with life. And I know the funniest part too, fun fact. Your baby mother, which is Aishana, they run Vibes Kartel and she performed a Vibes Kartel show before. So Vibes Kartel must pay her and give her money. And you have a youth with her. You don't feel like the same money with Vibes Kartel give her help your youth. Brother, you have to stop bad mind, brother, and give Caesar what you do to Caesar.
Buju Banton and Vibes Kartel. I hear Foota Hype say the reason why you sold out the arenas them back to back is because you went to prison. Me kinda see the point of Foota Hype try make now. But me have a few questions. What if the man them did flop? Would you be saying the same thing? That is because they were in prison? Or let's look at it on a different angle. What if the man them never been to prison? And them sold out the arenas them back to back? Or would you address it? Or let's say they never been to prison and them flop, them couldn't sold out the arenas them. Would you be saying that they should have been to prison first, come out, so that they could sold out the arenas them back to back? What you say? All of the dancehall artists them, we never been to prison and flop. Events put together, and when them go there, a few people turn up. What you say? Them did figure out prison first? Or dancehall artists have to start going to prison now before them can sold out arenas and all these things?
As you say, no people, Foota Hype a come under heavy attacking, but me don't know how him do it. Every time him say something more time out, or every time him open up his mouth, him always a come under heavy backlash, heavy attack. So, you know, a lot of people rate Vibes Kartel to the max, you know, dancehall era to a lot of them. But as myself, me don't know where Foota Hype have against Vibes Kartel or Spice, but you know, sometimes it may seem like him a hate, but some of the time, some of the things about him say factual, because on him alone, my ear say the same thing about the prison thing and the prison hype and so forth. But me have had the clippings with him, I deal with Spice away in a different segment, judge people. Foota Hype say Spice, I say him not have no house, him not live nowhere, him care him living there. So Foota Hype say him have a 5-bedroom house, and people, I bet you don't know which 5-bedroom him attack. Watch that clip here.
Yeah, my people. Grand rising. People, the blue ear effort get too bright. Out of order. I thought about me not own no house. She brighty. Me could have been in America so long. And not own no house. Tell me the truth now. Me could have been in America so long and not own no house. I'm going to show you my house. I have my 5-bedroom apartment. I'm going to show you right now. See it here? 5-bedroom apartment. Dirty Spice, you can chat to me. But I don't live nowhere. A 5-bedroom apartment here. 1 room here. Ratchet and money pan seat. Yeah. Can spin around the. Yeah, I don't know how the blue ear effer I come talk, but me not live nowhere. See there 1 bedroom here, so, and 3 bedroom around there, so. And see my gourmet kitchen here. See all my plate here. Me have me my fork and me something them here. Bright and feisty. But I don't live nowhere. See me have all my honey when me use make me tea and me something them. Out of order 1 more bedroom around there, so. With my closet to the side. See my closet here. Make sure it's showing up here. Nobody get bright with me. But I not own no house. If I say bright no blood clot. But I not own no house. Out of order. Feisty.
People who see for yourself, Foota Hype say I'm Benz, I'm 5-bedroom. Yo, dancehall entertainer, them a joking thing, them they probably yo a real joke. You know. The man say I'm car, I'm house. In the America for so long, I'm car him buy for him house. Yo, man I say, yo, a real definition of house can escape on the toll. The man say I'm Benz, I'm house. But on the other clippings, we have one of Vibes Kartel cheerleader them, you know, J Progress. Him come like the one Kevin, no, him a one Kevin the second, or you can say him a panty jaws, or you know who me attack already. Who know in the comment section, who must know who me attack. But we have J Progress I say some things, one of Vibes Kartel cheerleader them, as it pertains to Spice and Foota Hype. And me play the clippings for the people. I want to tell me one thing about the whole of what him say, because everybody come on the attack on Foota Hype. Everybody come attacking Foota Hype. Me not gonna say me not rate Foota Hype none at all, but you know sometimes you might agree with some of the things them you say, and sometimes you not agree. But you know you can't treat pick side when it come to a man like Foota Hype, because Foota Hype a hypocrite. He a snake on the grass and everything. But J Progress has something I'm gonna play it for no ear. I want to tell me what you think.
Foota Hype, Grace Hamilton, Spice. People don't ever wonder why the female artists them have it so hard in the industry. It's because people like them mania, Foota Hype, make it their mission to tear them down. Him do it to Jada Kingdom, him do it to Spice, him do it to Shensia, him do it to Aishana. I don't know which female artist this man don't do it to. And a matter of fact, him do it to every artist. Him try tear down Vibes Kartel, try, and it never work. So him say, alright, it better if me try after a female. People, who no listen this, and who no tell me, where who no think. Who no hear, Foota Hype put Grace Hamilton to the test, Spice. Currently, Spice is the queen of dancehall. And everybody see what Spice do to Vibes Kartel show. And if lift it up. You understand me I say? People, Foota Hype try all and everything in him power to tear down Vibes Kartel. And Vibes Kartel shame him. You know, look out for my next video me I go drop. And me I go show you how Vibes Kartel shame this man. Yeah. Foota Hype go to the length and say Spice hate him because Spice got the devil wrote and him did tell one her and this happened to her and that happened to her. Over the years, Foota Hype has always been one of those persons attacking Grace Hamilton, tearing Grace Hamilton down. As a female, it's only natural for you to defend yourself, and anytime you hear a man like them come under fire, you go support it. You understand me I say?
People, you know what me get from this whole thing we are going right now? It's like say nobody can scrutinize the artists them, nobody can judge them, nobody can make them own opinion as it pertains to the artists them, or say something, because the whole thing we're going with Foota Hype now. Foota Hype just merely state the fact say yo, the artists them got prison, and because of the whole supply and demand thing, why people miss them, because you have a thing will go like this, you know. When you have a thing will go like this, is like the art gets fonder when time it miss you. See? So the more you see somebody, the more you miss them. So the art get fonder. As I remember, so them artists I was giant before them got prison. So them a compare it and I say, yo, if other artists can sell out stadium, if all other artists can sell out stadium and them they are road. Them remember say, yo, Vibes Kartel and Buju Banton is one of Jamaica's most loved DJs. So when them go behind bars and them get locked up for how much years, over a decade, and them come back a road now, and people glad to see them and come out, come support them, because no lie, them have some music out there where hit the soul the real way, and them have some hit songs out there where is world renowned. So the people them all miss them. So you know, if you get the facts say yo, them they are jail. People miss them, people come out, come support them. But where the mere fact is that Foota Hype, I said the fans them now come out, come support the regular artists them where they are road, or the regular artists them can't sell out a arena because people them see them so often. It's like it all hard for them sell out unless the whole of them combine together. But because Vybz Kartel was behind bars by himself and Buju Banton also, it make them be able to sell out the show and the whole story behind them. One get locked up for murder and one get locked up for drugs. So that make, the whole supply and demand surround them name and them get the support. But as I say to people, everybody a come under attack on Foota Hype and so forth just because the dog state his own opinion. And as I said, I don't really have nothing against Foota Hype, and at the same time I don't really rate him in a sense. But sometimes him talk some things we may agree to. But me no want to thinking of people about this whole thing as we're going, because right now Foota Hype and Spice, I guess them are enemy now, or them at odds, because in everybody's eyes, everybody a leak out and attack. But me no want to think in the comment section, already man, a Vibes and Inside with another quick update. You see me? Mad, I'm out. Peace.